here we want to basically find how much of each supplement this zookeeper needs to give to the animal in question so that 42 milligrams of vitamin A are combined in the supplements and 65 milligrams of vitamin D are in the supplements, and given the distributions that we've been provided in the question. So what we're going to do is assign some variables. I am going to let X be the amount in milligrams of supplement 1, and let Y be similarly the amount in milligrams of supplement 2. And so we're going to set up equations to ensure that we get enough of vitamin A and vitamin D for each. So for vitamin A, basically what we're going to get is the combined amount of vitamin A is going to be how much we get from the first supplement plus how much we get from the second supplement. So from the first supplement, it's 10% of it, and we're going to convert that to a decimal and have 0.1 of how much of this supplement we give, which we just said was X, and then 20% of how much we give of the second supplement, and we want this to be equal to 42 milligrams. And for vitamin B, similarly, it's actually 25% of each. Sorry, not B, that's D. It's going to be 25% of each. And we want that to combine to give me 65 milligrams. So we're able to go ahead and put this into a matrix to solve. So for X, I've got 0.1 plus 0.2Y is equal to 42, and 0.25X plus 0.25Y is equal to 65. So I do not love decimals, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to get rid of them. They're pretty easy ones to get rid of. I can multiply row 1 by 10, and I can multiply row 2 by 4, and that should fix up a lot for me. So if I multiply the first one by 10, I get 1, 2, and 420. And if I multiply the second row by 4, both the coefficients are going to turn into 1, and 65 by 4 is 260. And now I can get some zeros in this matrix pretty easily. If I just subtract row 1 minus row 2, that's going to get that first 1 into a 0. 2 minus 1 is 1, and 420 minus 260 is 160. And I could go ahead and put this back and solve it, but I can get another 0 pretty easily. It's jumping out at me if I do row 2 minus row 1. And that's pretty much going to solve the problem for me. So that'll be 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. And 260 minus 160 is 100. And yeah, that basically gives me my solutions, because row 1 says that Y equals 160, which therefore says 160 milligrams of supplement 2. And the second row tells us that X equals 100. So we want 100 milligrams of the first supplement. And that's our answer.